Today I'm looking at the Tikom robot vacuum and mop combo. I've had this for about a year now and I really like it. These little bristles on the side, they kind of look a bit flimsy, but man, they really help it suck in everything. They do advertise that it's Wi-Fi and remote control. Here is the unboxing. And I got this last year, so I've been using it for about a year now. Batteries, filter, remote control, plug, electric plug, floor off right there, tape, looks like rubber tape. Okay, it looks like these fit on the plate, that probably attaches to the bottom. Here are the corner sweepers. These are plastic. These are kind of on nylon. Okay, organized wires and power cords. And here is base. Out of here. I'd say it's a little over 12 inches, maybe 13, 15 inches. See the water unit right here. Instructions. Up there's the filter, and here is the replacement filter. Okay. Here's a cleaning brush. Stiff. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Remove these tabs before using. Okay, here is the bottom. Here's the only marked left. There and right here. Here. The vacuum on this works great, and it's really good at getting around the edges of everything. The sensors are not that great. It will go over steps. It really does just kind of plow through everything. Our furniture is at just the right height where it can get halfway under and then it gets stuck. It works well on carpet, floors, tiles. The vacuum on this is wonderful. It really does have really good suction on it. And as you can see, the dogs are not afraid of it. It does do the tile floors really well, and you can see there's a carpet here, and that carpet is hard to clean, and this thing cleans it up pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna take this out.
Dustpan is taken out.
And you see it gets quite a bit. And then just empty this out.
Mopping cross holder is removed.
It really is easy to clean. Everything comes apart, and you've got this little brush here. It just sweeps right out, cleans up. After maybe 3 or 4 times I use it, I'll go ahead and clean it really good with soap and water and let it dry out really good. And this is after using it for maybe 6 months. So, and you can see every now and then it's a good idea to take this apart, and everything comes apart, and clean the brush off. I'll clean that and then clean this inside real good. And you've got an extra set of these little curly cues, but you can see 6 months and they're still fine. So I've been very, very happy with this. I think it was well worth the price I paid. I've got 2 very large dogs, and I just need something to clean up for me so I'm not mopping and sweeping every day, and this does great. Now for the pros and cons. After having this for a year, it is safe with animals. The vacuum is pretty good on it. It picks everything up. The sensors on it are not that great. It'll really plow through things. It doesn't damage anything, but it doesn't stop at the steps. Or as you can see in the doorway, it doesn't stop at the arch there. The Wi-Fi, not so much. The remote control not so much. But this thing, I'll tell you, for vacuuming, it's great. And for light mopping, you can't beat this. And at this price point, this has been a godsend for me. I was sweeping and mopping these floors every day. So with this, I can do it maybe once, twice a week. And I use this every day. So it saves me a lot. And I love this thing. So the Tikom Wet Dry Vacuum definitely gets 2 thumbs up from me. And that's all I have for this week. I will see you next week.